Hello friends, welcome to Technical and Programming. Okay, today I will teach how to create a JFrame application in Java Netbeans. So first of all, open the Java Netbeans, uh, click on File menu, then click on the New Project option and select C here. Click on Java and select Java application. Then click on Next button. So give the project name here. My project name is a simple Java application. Okay, so click on finish button. So creating a new project in a Java. So see here, simple project is created successfully. See here, project is here, project is here. And files is here. So right click on this, then click on a new and select JFrame form. Click on JFrame form. Give the name for JFrame form. My welcome form. Welcome. Okay. Click on finish. See a JFrame form is opened. And, drag the some controls. See here. Drag the one label here on this form and edit text. Then right click on this and click on edit text. So welcome to Java. Okay, drag this. Okay, and see here, save here. Click on save and right click on this form and run it. Right click on this form and click on the run option, run file. Click on the run file. See here, simple Java program is executing. See here, this Java application welcome form is successfully created. So I hope you like it and subscribe to my channel Technical and Programming. Okay, and click on bell icon for another updates. So thanks for watching this video. Bye friends.